What up, what up? It's your boy Chewy Spice, and I'm back with another video. We gonna chef up some steak. And remember, I always tell you guys to give your meat proper loving lime and vinegar. The liquid that you see down there with the meat in the bucket is already some vinegar that I have put in there. Disinfect your meat and give it proper loving lime vinegar, a little bit of salt if you please, um, before you really get, down and dirty, down and busy, because we all know meat can be filthy. As you can see, we already got our steak in the pan. Now we're about to get to seasoning. We're about to get, you know what I'm saying? Everybody got their own seasoning that they would like to freak up their steak with. But me, Chewy, I got my own things. Be trying out new things. A little bit of that. Give it some loving. You want it to have some flavor, good taste, good salt, some garlic, whatever you please. You could try this out too. A little bit of garlic, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt soon coming up. That's the salt that I'm pouring in there. A little bit of salt. Don't want to do it too hard, do too much, but I definitely did unlock a secret and fire chewy spice ingredient. This steak was slapping. It was good. It was really good, honestly.